Hey, it's Naneska, and today I'm going to show you how to play the song One Desire. It's such a beautiful song. And I'm going to go through the introduction, and then I'll explain how I play that. And it starts like this. Straight into the verse. All right, let's break down that introduction. The chords that you're worrying about with your left hand are E and then A. And you can do the flowy style, or you could just do just kind of hit on those chords with the left hand. So just two, very easy. With your right hand, you're going to be playing these notes. What I recommend is just keeping your hand on the E chord. That's kind of the song key that we're going to be using, but keeping your hand on this E chord is really helpful when playing the melody line. So it looks like this. E, B, back to E, and then F sharp, G sharp, A, G sharp, and again, E, B, E. If you play this enough times, you'll get it. It's such a cool melody. You put it together. Play the introduction. Now you can choose to play this melody whilst the soloist sings the verse. However, for me that's not an option, so I'm gonna go straight into the chords and stop playing the melody. And that just kind of looks like this. So I go straight into the chords. Now you're thinking, what in the world is this chord? So basically, instead of playing E over here, I do think it's a little too bright for me. The sound is too high pitched. So instead of playing this B up here, I'm gonna bring it down here. So you can play this inversion of an E. Actually, I think I might do this one. And then the other version of E that you can play is bringing this G sharp down here and playing it like this. Now the reason why I like to play the E down here is because the A is so close. You don't really have to switch around a lot, so just you switch to A. You don't have to do a lot of like moving around. So that's kind of my personal. For a super beginner, you can just play the first and fifth of E the entire song too. So watch. You gave it all for me. My soul desire, my everything. So you can just do that as well. Anyway, so going back to that verse, I'm gonna sing through the verse and then you can decide which way you want to play it. So you gave it all for me. My soul desire, my everything. All I am is devoted to you. keep going. This is such a beautiful song. So the verse, you basically saw what I did. I played the E chord like this, and I did A. And sometimes I would do the A suspended, the 2. So instead of just playing A, I played A2. Back to E. Basically, most of that verse is just playing those 2 chords. All right, then we go into the pre-chorus, and you see that the chords are a little different. We have a B, and then a C sharp minor, and then an A, and then back to E, then we have another B. All right, so the way I would play that is the pre-chorus, I like to play a little quieter, just because it's such a special part of the song. The lyrics are different, so now I want you to notice what happened in that pre-chorus. I'm playing a little quiet, then I'm building up. So this is where I'm bringing that C, the A suspended. I will see. This is my cry. And we go boldly into that chorus. Again, in the chorus, chords are E. Again, I'm playing E like this. You could totally play E like this. No problem at all. I'm just playing it like this. And you got that B, and then you have a C sharp minor. Now and forever. You have that A, and then those repeat. And then it gets a little weird. You got that E again. My one desire is to be with you. Is to be with you. So the chords kind of switch up a little bit. You is to be with you, Jesus. And then after that chorus, you can go straight into the instrumental. And then, you do verse 2 again. To be probably kind of noticed that in that chorus I put in a D. So I did my one desire is to be with. So you can kind of add a D in there if you want. So desire is to be with you. So having that D in between B and that D helps you step into the F sharp minor more confidently. So is to be with you, is to be with you. So that's kind of optional, but you can do that. And then you go into that instrumental again, kind of like I did. And this is when we get into the bridge. Get a little funky. This is why I feel like I didn't get those notes, but again, I'm gonna try it again. The one thing I ask is to be with you. Let me attempt that again. I'm gonna attempt it in a lower octave. Usually after this, there's that instrumental. So be with you. So this melody line is kind of the theme of the song. You can play this through and then go into the chorus. This is my cry, my one desire. Anyway, you can kind of play around with this song. It's such a beautiful classic, you guys. I hope you enjoy singing it as much as I did. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.